Walks, and we're going to be playing Slime RNG. It's been getting pretty popular lately, so I thought we might as well play this. Played it quite a bit before, so I have quite a bit of progression. So we unfound it. There it is. Here we go. Yeah, so it's not too much. This is my slime here. I really do need to touch some grass because I don't know how to touch it enough. I don't even remember what color grass is, but I'm pretty sure grass is blue. I don't know what else it would be. Like, why wouldn't grass be blue? I don't know what I'm saying, grass is blue. You know that song? Blue, blue grass, green, green sky. Please throw a party on the date and... You know that song? Oh my gosh, I just got a 1.7 million Pokey? That's just a base transcendent, you know. Really just transcendent base. Okay. Big? Okay. That's my second. That's the best one. I almost got a full transcendent on me. Wait, this gives me... No, I don't got what this is. Now if I put best. Shiny. Oh, still yet to get an inverted. Not even inverted. Since I work next to smile inverters, because I've gotten absolutely none. And I need some. Like badly. None. Literally. 0 inverted. And how am I getting this stream? If I go to my elite, do I have it in here? Oh yeah, I do. No, yeah, it is. Okay. I don't even remember. My first 1 in a million is probably the biggest. My first 1 in 1,000 is everybody's first 1 in 1,000. Spiky. I remember back in a while, like a while ago, when I used to actually think a big sunset was 8 million? Oh my gosh, that's got a big ice there. Oh my god. I look at 1.5 thousand. Oh my gosh, that's so... Yeah. Sunset. Okay. I remember the big leafies. I used to have like 2 Ds in my spot, and I thought they were actually good. Nothing. But now I discovered the true roller slime, so. Going back to that intro, 64,000 goop. My luck would almost double, but that's just random. What is this chat? Tricky. 170. 139,000? That's Drakey. 174 billion. That's an astral. Let me check that. Yeah, it's just normal Astral. There's no like certain thing. It's just 674 billion. Big. Turn on to use it. So let's just yeah. Nothing around here that could be. What is it again? Sorry, 4 billion. Inverted. Billion. 27 billion. Pizza. That's pretty good. This is like the highest it was on for him. It's level 15, bro. Do I even have any orbit? I used to think that orbits are so really cool. Now I have something that's... No, I have things that are way better than... just normal orbit. Things that are really better than orbit. It's the big angels. You can see the big orbit. You see, there's icy and also race flying, also is 86, there's icy beautiful. So that would be 12.6. I don't know that. One more and I'll get to it. Man, can't seem to get any birds. Bro, I ain't getting any birds. This is crazy, bro. That's just crazy. Bro, I barely touch grass and I'm getting a bunch of spideys and spikes. Like, what the heck? No, I'm actually leaving. I'm going to first. I'm going to literally, I'm just going to go and steer the leaderboards. Best roll 4 sexillion. Best daily best. One. No, I'm not playing this game anymore. I'm done. I'm just gonna leave. No. I'm going.